Alright guys, so welcome to the channel. And this is the van that I use for traveling across to Europe. You might have seen a lot of video on a TikTok. So this is a vlog that I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna do a conversion to it. So basically, I've been traveling with this one for 2 years, and I think now is the time that I should finish this whole conversion, which I was planning or dreaming about for last 2 years. So today in this vlog, I'm gonna show you how you can do this all in budget. So I'm just gonna show you what is done right now and what needs to be done from here onwards. So let's show you the update. As you can see, the side wall, the first template or like the wall is already ready. There are a few adjustments needs to be done, and then this will be ready. There's one window coming over there, and you can see that all the installation for major part is done. I'm using the old floor, just trying to save money because buying this big piece of wood gonna cost a lot. If you've been following me on TikTok, you might have find this there, that I have done this insulation below the floor as well. I made this frame and I just glued it, and then I put this 2 layers of Armaflex under. Alright guys, so you can see this. I use a cardboard template like this to make this, and now there are almost a lot of the adjustments been done. So this is already finished, almost finished product. So I'm just gonna screw this in here, and then I'm gonna use this and adjust this template, and then I'm gonna cut that on a plywood and fit this here. So this is the easiest way and the fastest way you can build this kind of stuff. So let's finish this. All right, let me screw this on the wall. So yesterday what I did is, as you can see, the walls are already on. Both side walls are on, this side as well. And then I put this wood battens to make a frame for the roof. So I was about to put the wood panels for the ceiling, but just in the time I remember that I haven't done the second layer. That I wanted to do second 2 layers on the roof, so just to get an extra protection in the winter. So let's finish this. I just wanted to give you an update what I've done before I start day 2. All right, hopefully you guys are gonna enjoy this. Alright guys, so on van build update, I have started building the drawers under the bed, and these drawers gonna be used for storing my clothes or other stuff. And also on the side there will be pockets coming to store tools and camping gear. So I have already built 2 drawers, and these are sliding drawers on a partial extending rails. So just in case if it breaks down, then it's kind of safe, doesn't come all the way out. And these are 2 drawers I already built, and I'm going to build 2 more on that side. So let's show you the process that how I build these drawers. Alright guys, so next on the project is to build a face for the drawers that we built under the bed, and to do that we are using the same wood that we use for making the roof. After cutting exact pieces, I'm doing these angle cuts on it so that it fits perfectly on that piece of plywood. And one thing I will recommend is to, if you wanted to paint or stain this wood, then do it before you glue it to the plywood, because I did the first piece and it was so hard to do the staining after gluing it to the piece, because I didn't want the stain to go on the main piece. But anyways, overall the final result was amazing and it gives an amazing look to the drawers. This is how I did it. So now we are focusing on a small things to finalize the build, and I'm using this IKEA ball that I bought it to make the sink for my van, and it was about €7. In dollars it will be $8. And I'm making this hole to fit this drain plugging, and then I'm gonna attach this to the can that I'm gonna use for a wastewater. And also I'm reusing my old tables. First I have to remove the old wood stain, and then I'm gonna apply a couple of coats of wood stain again, and then I'm gonna apply a couple of coats of lacquer to give this a nice finish, and it saves me a lot. I'm just trying to recycle wood as much as possible, and you can see the finish is just amazing and tremendous, and after drying it looks so good. Alright guys, so floor is ready. Let's put this floor in, and then we're gonna start bringing all the working station and the sink, and that will be the first draft ending here.